DKSH, the #1 in market expansion services.
GoProto is a custom manufacturer of plastic and metal parts. We use a variety of traditional technologies and also advanced 3D printing technologies.
We can really objectively look at the application and make an unbiased recommendation. The exciting thing about multi-jet fusion is that it keeps coming up as a solution.
We've been giving customers samples because we believe in the technology so much. And when you can give somebody their own part and they can see the quality of surface finish, we can show them the speed that we did it on and the pricing, it's a pretty easy sell after that. Our customers have been really excited by it.
Now to be able to say we can make parts very quickly, they're less than they used to be, and now they won't break, and you'll be able to say pressure test them, you'll be able to drop test them, you'll be able to expect them to perform a lot more like your injection molded part. That's exciting.
This machine is a game changer. It's a very convenient system to use. The magnitude of having a company like HP have just really shown us that 3D printing has a great future.
DKSH, the #1 in market expansion services.